how to use Forge Hammer in Kingshot. Now, the Forge Hammer is an item used to upgrade mythic gear to even higher levels through the mastery forging in Kingshot. But put in mind that the enhancement process becomes available at Town Center level 20, so the target mythic gear also needs to be at level 20. So if you want to go ahead and use this feature, make sure that you are at those levels. Then you can go ahead and access the master forging to the hero gear. So navigate to your hero gear inventory, select the mythic gear piece you want to upgrade, and tap on the forge option to enter the master reforging interface. Just go ahead and apply the forge hammers. Each star requires a specific number of forge hammers. For example, upgrading to star level 1 may require 10 forge hammers, while higher levels demand more. So you can go ahead and earn these forge hammers in the arena shop, the mystery shop, the VIP shop, the certain events like the bear hunt, buccaneer bounty, and champagne fair, alliance mobilizations, and stuff like the honor fund. You should be able to find this in multiple sources. As you can see here, there's the swordland, the mystery, the bear hunt again, as said before. But anyways, again, you should be able to use this in the mastery forging feature in Kingshot. As you can see over here, you go ahead and choose whichever gear you want to forge and the amount of forging hammers that you are going to use, and just go ahead and press on forge if you have decided to do so. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.